Hi everyone, this is Pooja Agarwal and today I am going to answer some of the frequently asked questions of our clients that arise when a project discussion is going on or project development is going on. So we can help you the best to understand everything about your project before going ahead to start the work. So yeah, let's get started. I hope this video help you to understand better about how we work, how the app development work, and how you can start your own application so you can start your app with more confidence. And yeah, let's get started. Number one question: how many users can come on our website or app? In any website or application that is developed, there is no limit of users or products or data. The limit depends upon your server. For example, if you are going to open a shop, you need to have the size or the space of the shop according to the products you are going to take or product you are going to keep over there, right? So that's how the product limit works in the application also. If you are going to have high products, if you want to have high users, you need to take a good server. Usually for 600 to 700 users per day, we suggest our minimum 1 GB RAM hosting with unlimited storage, that is this plan, available for 6,000 rupees per year or 600 rupees per month. You can buy according to your budget. For more, you can contact your consultant so they can help you the best. So any website or application doesn't have any user limit. If you have a particular users like lakhs or 2 lakhs, then we suggest the technology according to that. But any website regularly doesn't have any user limit. It depends upon your server. For a basic load, you can take a 1 GB RAM hosting that I already told you cost you 6,000 rupees per year or 600 rupees per month. So now let's go ahead for the question number 2. What are your rights and will you get the source code or not? So the answer is we always share you the complete source code at the time of handover. So whenever you do a project with Raunix, you get your complete source code with your brand name, your logo, your key store, your all the files that you can use in the future to make that application again and make it live again on Play Store and the Apple App Store if you are having the both app. If you are having only Play Store app, then only Play Store source code you get complete that you can give to any developer in the future and you can remake your application again. So the answer is yes, we always share you the complete source code at the time of handover, means when your project has been completed and everything is ready and app also uploaded on Play Store or Apple App Store, then we share you the complete source code and then you can reuse. And then you can reuse the source code. Now let's understand what are the rights that you will get on the application. So we will share you the complete admin panel and the complete ID password of your admin panel, your hosting ID password and all the other ID passwords. So you will get the complete right of your application. Remember, any application or website doesn't have any document or any license. So you literally don't need any PDF or any document. You just need your admin ID password. Remember, if anybody wants to do any changes in your system, they need to log in your hosting or in your admin. If they don't have any access of your website admin or the hosting, they cannot do any changes. So you get the complete credential of your whole system. And regarding the ownership, you get the complete control on it. But remember, any website or application doesn't have any document. It just have ID and passwords that we share with you. And if you change it, we also won't be able to log in and do any changes. If there is any work we need to do, we will ask you and then you can share it to us. I hope it helped you to understand what are the rights you will get and what are the source code detail you will get. And yeah, let's go ahead. Now let's discuss the point number 3. What type of support we will give to you. So with every project of us, we give you complete 1 year free technical support. That means after booking your project, we have completed everything and now you want to take the handover, you want to start your own business, we give you the ID password and give you the handover with all the ID passwords and everything. And then your 1 year free technical support starts. For example, if your project starts on 22nd of January 2022 and it gets handovered on, let's say, 12th of February 2022, then you get a complete 1 year free technical support from 12th of February 2022 to 11th of February 2023. So for this 1 year, if there is any bug in your current application, if the application is not working, if the web is not working, or if there is any other issue, then our team will solve it completely 100% free. You just need to call or chat with our team so they can help you. They are always available in a WhatsApp group that we will create, that we will discuss in the next question, that how we proceed for a project. And yeah, so you will get a complete 1 year free technical support. In that, if there is any bug or any issue comes in the current application, then our team will be able to solve it completely 100% free. Now, what about the next year technical support? So for the next year, you can renew the technical support for 3000 rupees. Yes, just 3000 rupees per year, and again you will get 1 year free technical support. 3000 rupees can be cost in dollar, around $35 per year you will need to pay to renew the technical support. Now let's talk about how our payment system works. Question number 4, how the payment system works in Raunix, how the client can pay us. So to pay us, there is a very easy methods that we have. To pay us for our project, you can pay us in two ways. One is installment payment, second is one-time payment. Now let's talk about the installment payment. To pay us for our project, you can easily pay us $200 to $300 initially, depends upon your project. If your project is more than $500, then you need to pay us $300 initial. If your project is less than $500, that means 35,000 rupees, then you can pay us $200 initial. You can also pay us 5,000 rupees initial for your project less than 35,000 or $500. For more, kindly contact your consultant so they can help you the best. And now let's understand how we proceed for the project. So then, firstly you confirm us with initial 5,000 rupees or 200 depending upon your project, and then we start your project and we create a WhatsApp group with you and our team member in one WhatsApp group where they share all the details that they need. To understand what detail we need, we have already created a video separately what details we need to start a project. You can check out that video. The link is available in the description and also available in the I button. You can check it over there. And now, if we talk about what are the further payment terms, once you confirm us with initial, we share you the first update within 2 to 3 working days. You check it and then you can see your own app installed in your phone as APK. You can download it as APK in your phone, Android phones, and then you can check it live working very well with your branding, your logo, your app first look is ready. You check it and then you pay the first installment of 40%. When your 40% work is done. Once the 40% installment is done, we go ahead and prepare the next update of 60%. You check it and then you can pay 60% installment. Then we go ahead and prepare the next update of 80%. You check it and then you can pay 80% installment. And then we go ahead and then we prepare the final update. You check this. If there is any bug, you tell us, we solve it. If there is no bug, then you complete the final installment and then prepare the handover and upload your apps on Play Store and Apple App Store. If you are having only Android app, then we upload it on Play Store only and give you the complete credentials and then 1 year free technical support to start. So that is the installment payment option. Another is one-time payment option. That means if you pay the complete payment initially, either than going for 5,000, then 40, 60, 80 and rest, you pay the complete payment initially in advance, then you get 10% cash discount. On Android and iOS combo, you can get more discounts also. For that, kindly contact your consultant so they can help you the best. And now let's understand the next point, which is what about the payment gateways? How your customer can pay online on your website or application. This is a very common question that we get. The payment gateways are different on different applications. If you are choosing an application like GoPay, it has particular payment gateways that works on it. If you are choosing an application like Kotak Pro, it has particular payment gateways that works for it. If you are choosing an application like Raunix Pro, then this is a type of application which can connect with any payment gateway that is having a WordPress plugin because it's a WordPress app. So the payment gateway depends on what application you are choosing. If it's a coding based, completely coding based application, then it has fixed payment gateway and it will support only these payment gateway. What you need to do is you need to go to the particular website, let's say Razorpay, PayUmoney, InstaMojo, whatever the payment gateway is available that our consultant has told you. by the document or the link that they have given to you. You can see, and only those payment gateways you can connect. If there is any additional payment gateway you want to connect, that will be additionally chargeable depending upon your project. For more, kindly contact our consultant. The details are available over here. You can also mail us on this mail ID, or you can also visit raunixtech.com. Now let's move ahead for the next question, that is, will your application name will be changed? Will the application will be with your brand name? Yes. Whenever we make an application, your application will be with your brand name, your logo and your name on it. With your complete brand, your application will be created. For example, if you are looking for the taxi application and our consultant has suggested you Ninja Taxi, if you are looking for a multi-service application and our consultant has suggested you GoPack application, then remember, these Ninja Taxi or GoPack are just our demo apps, just to let you know how you are getting the application, what are the features and how your application will look and work. But your application will be with your brand name only. For example, if your business app name is, let's say, Golden Taxi, then your application name will be Golden Taxi with your brand name that you will give to us and your logo and icon that you will give to us, and the functionality, the layout will be exactly same as the Ninja Taxi or any taxi application that you are buying from the raunixtech.com. For more, you can contact your consultant. Remember, the colors and the images can be changed, but the UI, UX, the basic features will be exactly same as the demo, but it will be with your brand name, your logo and your name on it. And now let's go ahead for the next question, that is, what about logo and icon? You will create it or we will create it? As Raunix, we are not a graphic designer company, so the logo and icon client need to provide. Even though if you don't have any logo and icon knowledge, if you don't have any resources, so our team can share you some of the free logo options that we have available from the internet and that you can reuse. Also, if you want us to create a logo, that can be additional chargeable as $15, that is 800 rupees, that you can pay our team and they can create a basic logo for you as examples showing on the screen, and you can also ask your consultant to send you examples of logo. So the logo and icon the client need to provide, but if you don't have any resources, our team can also suggest you some logo and icon, and that will be additionally chargeable of $15. Now let's talk about the next question. It is, what about updates? What update you will give us, and will you give us any update or not? So if we talk about updates, any application that you check on Play Store that gets updated is not automatically updated. The developer is actually creating the application again and then re-uploading it, and then the application is getting updated. So that is how it works on Play Store and the Apple App Store. So if you want to get the update, we keep creating the latest version of our applications. For example, if you are buying the GoPack application, we keep updating it with the time, we keep adding more features. So for example, if right now you have 1.4.3 version of GoPack, in the future it is a possible thing that after 6 months we have 1.5.2 version, which has a lot of higher features. So what will happen is, our team will suggest you that, hello sir, this is the advanced feature that we have. Do you want to update? If you think that, okay, this will help your business to grow, then you can ask our team, yes, I want to upgrade, and then you can pay the upgrade amount that need to be paid, and then we will recreate your application with the updated version and then upload it on the Play Store, and then you will get the updated app. Remember, any additional feature or any updates are additionally chargeable. It will depend upon your app what will be the charge. The minimum charge starts from $100. That is 7,500 rupees is the minimum charges of update price. Other will depend upon your application. For more, kindly contact your consultant so they can help you the best. For more, you can check the description so our team can help you. And now let's go ahead for the next question, that is, what are the additional charges that you will need to pay? For any project, you need to pay a lot of additional products that are not included in our price, like you need to buy your domain, you need to buy your hosting, you also need to have your own logo and icon, and you also need to buy your Google Play Console account, and also if you want to buy your Apple account, if you have an iOS app also booked with us, you can buy your Apple account and you can also use our Apple account. So the domain will cost you 780 rupees to $15. The hosting, if you are buying a 1 GB RAM hosting, then it will cost you 6,000 rupees or 600 rupees per month, that is $83 per year. If you are buying the Play Console account, it will cost you $25, and if you are buying your own Apple account, then it will cost you $100 per year. Or you can also use our account of Apple App Store, that will cost you free for first year, and after next year it will cost you $20 per year, as we are also paying the Apple $100 per year. So the final question now is, how many people will be working on your project, and how many people will be available if there is any problem or any issue comes. So in any project that we have, there are multiple people will be working on your project. Depending upon your project type and your application or website type, we will be creating a group with our members working on your project, and then you can message them or you can call them in the WhatsApp group, and they will be able to help you completely for any issue. So that is all about all the FAQs, all the frequently asked questions at Raunix. I hope this video helped you to understand what are the basic questions that arise in the client's mind. If there is anything that is left, you can definitely ask us directly by the numbers available on the screen. You can also mail us on this mail ID, and you can also visit raunixtech.com so our team can help you the best. I hope we have a very successful future together, and let's make your business online. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.